Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your customer relationships with HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the CRM section on the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with your contact database. Import existing customer data for a comprehensive view. Use the contact properties to customize information fields. Add notes and tags to each customer profile for context. Leverage the timeline feature to track customer interactions. Set up personalized communication templates for emails. Utilize workflows to automate follow-ups based on customer behavior. Create deals to organize customer transactions and sales processes. Ensure regular updates to customer data to maintain accuracy. Schedule regular check-ins with your customers in the calendar. Monitor customer engagement through analytics and reports. Utilize the feedback tools to gather insights from your customers. Respond promptly to customer inquiries using the conversations inbox. Train your team to use HubSpot effectively for consistency. Encourage collaboration by assigning tasks related to customer follow-ups. Utilize the HubSpot community and resources for ongoing support. Review and adjust your strategies based on performance metrics. Celebrate customer milestones to strengthen relationships. Continuously seek ways to enhance the customer experience using HubSpot tools. End by evaluating the effectiveness of your customer relationship strategies regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.